making a 7-inch card from the Childhood Dreams topper set. The topper I am using is Sunny Days. So I'll just set my card blank to one side, and I'm going to cut a matten layer from the cardstock and some gold mirri. So I'll cut a 7-inch square of my gold mirri. Rotate once and cut again. And that will cover the front of my card blank. Then I'm going to take my cardstock and cut a layer. And to do this, I'm just coming 3 notches under the 7 inches. And I'm cutting the sky panel of the card. Rotate once and the same again, 3 notches under the 7. And that creates our base layer. So I'm going to use my construction glue to attach this to my gold mirri, and then I will repeat the process to attach to my card base. You don't need lots because it's a really strong adhesive glue. Layer this onto my mirri, making sure it has a nice even border. And then a little bit more glue to attach to my card base. And press that firmly into place. So now I'm going to go back to my leftover cardstock, and I'm going to cut another panel featuring the girl on the swing, and I'm going to cut this to a 5-inch matten layer. So this section I'll just cut 3 notches under the 5, turn once and repeat. And then I will cut a 5-inch by 5-inch gold mat. And just repeat the process with my construction glue. Onto my gold mat, ensuring a nice even border. And then I'm going to add this to the top right corner of my card base. Just set that aside a second, give it some drying time, and I'm going to return to my top set, and we're going to use the matching topper, this circle one at the top. So gently just remove this from the cardstock, and I'm going to remove the centering image and take away the inner frame. This can be saved for another project. So I'm going to take my outer frame, and I'm going to take some of our foam pads. The ones I'm using for this are the middle-sized strips. And you can just bend these round your circle frame. one more. And once you reach where you started, you can just cut away the excess piece. Remove the backing. Bring back in your card base, and I'm going to add this to the bottom left corner, overlapping the topper we created ourselves. I'm going to take our inner topper image and add 2 square foam pads on the back. And add this to the centre of our outer frame. Trying to get it in a central position. Then we've got the swings going in opposite directions. So I'm going to take 2 of our sentiments from our topper sheet. I've got the birthday wishes just for you and enjoy every minute. And I'm just going to pop foam pads on the back of here. One of the large squares will fit this circle nicely. I'm just going to overlap our square topper. And I will reuse that bit of excess strip from our outer frame foam pad. Trim it to fit the sentiment. Remove the back, and I'm going to add this to the bottom right hand corner of our card. And now I'm just going to take our lovely gold gems and add some finishing details. I'm going to take 3 of the medium-sized gems to the bottom right hand corner of the square topper, and then the bottom left corner of our card. And then just our largest size gold gems in the opposite corners, so the right corner, right bottom corner and top left corner. And that's our card complete.